Last week, Nick brought you him eating 20 bird's eye chilli because we were dismayed we couldn't get hold of any ultra hots locally to us in Devon. Gottagobideo, a great channel on YouTube who does pod reviews and stuff like that. He's the chili beast. He commented and said, nice try guys, but he could eat 20 of these in one bite. Well, that sounds like a challenge to me. So I've got 25 of these little bad boys. And hopefully I can squeeze them all in one mouthful.
Come on, Si. Can you say chubby bunny?
Well,
You can fit more in, basically.
Come
on, Si.
We have a nice picture of Daniel O'Donnell in the background.
He's saying, you can do it, Simon.
You can do it.
Come on, no, don't be sick. Come on, Si.
You doing the 5-minute cooldown period?
Oh.
Oh, he's going to have to. Hey, come on, now you're in the 5-minute cooldown period.
I'm still chewing. You're going to well see these shit in the morning. What was it like?
Yeah, it was hot. Yeah, it stung a little bit on the way out. Come on, Si. Think of Daniel O'Donnell.
Yeah, he's looking at you.
Say, come on, Si. Come on, Si. You can do it.
Are they all gone yet? Not quite. Come on, Simon.
Come on, Si. You can
He's
do
a
it.
man. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Shut your mouth, shut your mouth. Hey. 5-minute cooldown.
How'd you feel? Was that good over there? Do not be sick. This is good. He's sweating yet?
I'm dribbling.
Brilliant.
So hot. That's about.
Bloody hellfire.
Oh, hellfire.
Oh.
Oh my god. My face is starting to go tingly.
Are you getting all dizzy yet?
Oh yeah.
Do you feel high?
It's a weird sensation, isn't it?
Oh.
So that was 25 bird eye chilies in one mouthful.
Oh. God.
Brilliant.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
It's a very instant hit, isn't it?
Oh. I've never felt my face tingle like this from Chillies before. Oh my god.
Do you feel bad?
I feel really bad. My face is...
Do you need to go to the hospital?
My face feels like it's like fucking trying to travel the speed of light or something. It's just like it's like going for a re-entry. My nose is like it's like the tingling is just going through my earlobes and everything. There's so much dribble. So much dribble. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry, I had to use water to get those down, people. Oh my God. As you can see, I've got a wonderful mustache. It's a bit sparse. I'm trying. Oh. So there you go. Chilli Beast, gotta go video. I want to see you eat 25 in one bite now. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus. My guts. Oh.
They're awful tasting, aren't they?
Horrible. Oh. Oh, when's 5 minutes up?
Oh, I didn't even know when it started. It's on 6 minutes 30 now.
Oh, I'd say you've probably done it.
Yeah, pretty much. She did it within the first 3.5 minutes. So give it another minute, just to make sure.
Oh.
Don't do that.
Oh, I know. I'll rub the rest of my hair out. Oh. 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 Oh.
Well done, Si.
Please like, subscribe and share.
Well done, Si.
That's exactly how Daniel O'Donnell talks.
Please like, subscribe and share. Please post a response. Oh.
10 seconds.
Oh. Honestly, it's like my whole face is on some sort of interstellar fucking travel or something. It's like the pins and needles is just so many pins and needles per square inch. I'm not even gonna bother explaining what I'm on about, but oh, gone down a notch, just a notch there. I can still. Oh.
Good God.
Where's all this dribble and snot coming from?
That's 8 minutes.
Oh. I mean, that's a lot.
No!
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 Oh. I think I've peaked. I'm coming back down now. Oh. That was one chilli high I don't care to relive. Oh, that was bad.
Too intense for you.
That was too much too quick too soon. Like I say, that wasn't a trip, that was a journey. Oh.
Did you have an epiphany?
I think I did, but I didn't find what my totem animal was. My tongue is still on fire. Oh.
It's a good shot, Nick.
I'm absolutely positive I'm allowed some sort of...
Oh yeah, you're on 9 minutes 10 now, that's well over the 5 minute cooldown period.
Yeah.
I'll be out for shits tomorrow. Oh, fuck.
Get the wet wipes in the fridge.
That's it.
Oh, I feel quite unwell. Anyway, that's me done. So that's it. 25 bird's eye chilies, 1 mouthful. Thank you and good night.